Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe, like, comment, share and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next Supreme content. Thank you.
Hello guys, I trust you all are doing fine. My name is Kofi Frederick, well known as a Supreme. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. On this particular channel, we educate people on digital skills, tech tips, and how to make money online with your smartphone. If this meets your specification, kindly go ahead and hit on the subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our content. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So this particular content that I'm about to show you is very important if you are a student, okay, or if you are anybody at all that actually deals with documents, writing contents and all that. This particular site is going to help you. Follow me closely and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So we launch our browser. That is, if you are using any browser at all, it's supposed you search for tinywow.com. okay, tinywow.com. So this is the interface that you are going to witness when you first launch this particular website. So when you come to this particular place, we are having AI write video tools. In fact, you need to explore the benefits of this particular website because it's very amazing. This particular website has helped me a lot, most importantly in this my final project work. Okay, my final project work, this particular website helped me really a lot. The amount of money I supposed to have paid to people to actually do it for me, this particular website did it for me for absolutely free. So guys, you need to explore more about it. All right, so we are having the essay writer, the content improver. You can use it to remove the background of images, paragraph writer. And the amazing thing is that all the content here, it is being done for you by AI. Okay, AI is going to do all the job for you. For example, essay writer, the AI do the writing. In fact, AI image generator, in fact, a whole lot. Okay, you can use this particular website to edit all your PDF files. Okay, you can edit PDF files without actually converting them back to Word documents. And yes, you can use this same website to convert all your PDF files back to Word documents, and from Word document back to PDF files. You can use it to split, okay, your PDF, compressed PDF. In fact, you just need to explore this website. When we tap on all the tools available here, in fact, there are tons of activities you can actually perform on this particular website. Okay, you can use it to crop images, AI art generator, Facebook downloader, in fact, a whole lot. Extract audio from videos, extract images from PDF, URL to PDF. In fact, a whole lot. You can use it to trim videos, linking post generator, a whole lot, guys. I can't just mention all of them. And it is also powered by AI. That is the amazing thing. You can use this same website to remove watermarks. Okay, yeah, in fact, a whole lot. So let's say AI generator, as I said, you just enter a topic, we will write an essay for you. Okay, so the importance of honeybee. So let me just a random so this is something that we need to, so number of paragraphs we want to generate, you can select the number of paragraphs over here. So let's leave it at 3. Education level, in a high school, in a college, or you are a graduate school. Okay, one thing about this is that they gives you the feedback based on your level, okay, so that you can easily understand. So if you are in high school, you just toggle that. If you are in college, you just tap on the radio button. If you are a graduate, to the same thing. So let's say we are in a college, then let's generate. So they are telling us to verify certain things, and I think that's all. The AI output to be generated out here. So let's give it some time. Let's give it some time. Think the network. All right, so here we go. So affiliate marketing is a popular and effective online marketing strategy that allows individuals or companies to earn commission by promoting other people's or businesses, product or services. In this system, an affiliate earns a commission for each successful referral made through their personalized affiliate link. This way, the affiliate acts as a middleman between the product or services provider and the potential customer. Guys, you just need to try this out. Once you are done with it, you can go ahead and then tap on the download button. Amazing thing is that you can use this particular website to write content like ebooks. Okay, the AI just input your topic, specify the paragraphs you want it to generate, and it is going to generate a mind-blowing ebook for you based on your topic specification. Guys, you need to actually try this particular website. Okay, just generate ebooks, and you can sell it for some profit. If you are loving the content that I'm sharing with you, please hit on the subscribe button, share to your colleagues out there, let them also benefit of this content. Once again, my name is Kofi Frederick, well known as a Supreme. Is bye for now.